On your screen you can see a mind map. It is a mind map of coronavirus explaining how it is spread, how it is originated and everything. The entire concept of COVID-19 is explained in this mind map. Let me tell you what mind map is. A mind map is a graphical representation of a concept using lines, text, symbols, colors and many other things. The good thing about a mind map is that everything is embedded in a single picture using many concepts. For example, if you see on the screen, I have explained the concept of coronavirus. At the center of the picture, you can see I have represented the COVID-19 disease in the center using an image which is representing COVID-19. And if you see, there are three lines which are drawn outwards of the COVID-19. One is in red color, another is in blue color, and the third one is in black color. Each one of it has a own meaning. I have chosen the red color to show what are the causes of it. Because it is dangerous, I have showed it using a red color. Whereas how it is spread in the world, I have shown it using black color because it is not good for the world. So it is something black day kind of thing I have shown using a black color. Whereas coming to the solution, I have used a blue color. Let us concentrate on the cause part which is shown in red color. If you see, I have indicated the causes using a symbol of question mark and then explanation mark. Then I have shown that it is transmitted from a virus. The cause is the virus. The transmission, I have explained the transmission using the symbol of transmission. So that is how the cause is indicating that it is from the virus and how it is transmitted. It is transmitted from China. I have represented it using text, and there is no history attached to this coronavirus since this is very new, so there is no history. Let's move to the solutions. If you see to the solutions, I have indicated the solutions in a suitcase with a first aid symbol on it, which is indicating that the solutions are mostly related to something which is locked, and also something has to be done with the medical. So it is telling me that something is locked and also it is related to medical. How it can, what are the solutions to it? One of the solutions is we have to maintain social distancing. That is, I have indicated, I have also shown it using a symbol with 3 persons with certain distance among them. And other precautionary steps, or one of the solutions to avoid COVID-19 is by washing hands and sanitizing ourselves. So that is how I indicated that. Now let's see how it has spread in the world. I have used a symbol of circle to represent the world. I have not used a rectangle or some other symbol. I have used circle because our earth is something which is very close to the shape of the circle. So I have indicated that it is the world as using a circle. And how it has spread, I have shown using a symbol of the aeroplane. As you know, it is originated in China and it has spread through the world mostly due to air travel. Air travel is one of the major causes that has spread throughout the world. And to whom it is affecting? It is affecting the humans, and to some extent it is also seen in animals nowadays. So if you see, this entire picture is explaining how it is originated, what are the solutions and what are the effects on the human beings. Everything it is shown in a single picture. This is a mind map. The beauty of mind map is in a very small pictorial diagram using symbols, colors, many other things, we are able to explain a concept topic. We have to use mind maps in our day-to-day lives. Whether you are a student sitting in the class, you can take your notes regarding a concept using mind map, or if you are working in a company and if you are going to a meeting, you can take your notes of the meeting using mind maps. Mind maps is an effective way to increase your creativity. Your creativity is getting enhanced. As you see, when I am showing the causes and how it has spread using the symbols or some different text, it is actually enhancing my creativity. I am thinking more about it and I am thinking various ways. So it is like telling us to see the different aspects of the same thing. So it is enhancing your creativity. I can easily remember this concept if I remember this diagram. So it is also able to sharpen my memory and I am able to remember a lot. So use this concept of mind map. There is no hard and fast rule as to how you create a mind map. It's up to you how you use it. A mind map is specific to the owner who has created it. It is the owner who understands the mind map. If he is able to communicate using very simple things to the other persons also, they can also understand the mind map. Let's say you want to encrypt the data or something, you can use a mind map. Use some symbols which are not synonym to that thing. Though the symbols or the text or something whichever you are using while creating the mind map, it is only known to you. So this way you can also encrypt your data. You can also draw using your pen and paper. That is the most simple way in which you can draw mind maps and start learning mind maps. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for some more amazing videos, and thank you for watching.